Hey there, I'm Scott Winterroth, and I'm going to share with you 3 reasons to come to the next Blog You Want in the Time You Have workshop. Number 1, I'm going to share with you some of my best strategies for content marketing, as well as give you some tips and ideas for how you can be a more productive person. Number 2, I will provide you with personalized recommendations on your blog if you want to send a link to me in advance, or if you want to share a link with me at the event. These are private. I will only send you the recommendations directly, but if anything, I'd be happy to share any knowledge I have to give to you. If you don't already have a blog, no problem. We'll get you on the idea train at the event. Number 3, you will meet exceptional people like yourself. We are here to support you, so jump on the next Blog You Want in the Time You Have to save your seat right now. I look forward to meeting you at the next event.